Google has recently rebranded Data Studio into Looker Studio. So what does this mean? Well, let's take a look at some background. So Google acquired Looker, which is an enterprise BI tool, business intelligence tool, in 2020 to the tune of $2.6 billion. But since we're covering digital analytics here, we'll continue with how this impacts Data Studio users. So in 2021, Google released, or they announced, their Looker Studio offering, the free version. So this looked similar to Data Studio in that it gave users the opportunity to bring their data together from various data sources and create dashboards and reports. In this introduction video on the right, which is also available on YouTube, they promoted this subdomain lookerstudio.google.com. Now, lookerstudio.google.com redirects to datastudio.google.com. So that's the Data Studio homepage. And if you click on Get Started, that's where it brings you. Under the hood, it looks and feels like Data Studio. If you open up one of your dashboards or reports, everything looks similar. So here's one of the acquisition overview reports that we created from one of our other videos. It has the same sharing function. You can edit the report, and it gives you the similar headings, similar menu, similar options at the top here, as well as the configuration settings on the right here, with the setup and with the style that you can customize. There is an update in their release notes saying that the product has a new URL, and this is lookerstudio.google.com. However, as we mentioned earlier, this redirects to datastudio.google.com. There is a paid offering in the form of Looker Studio Pro, and this offers Google's enterprise customers access to support, customer service, and expanded admin capabilities around access to Looker Studio dashboards and reports, as well as team collaboration. It also allows customers to connect Google Cloud projects to Looker Studio Pro. Now, with the release of Google Analytics 4 and seeing how different it is from Universal Analytics, you may have been wondering whether Google is pushing users to BigQuery or Data Studio, perhaps a paid form of Data Studio. And with Looker Studio, we have some insight into that with the offerings, with the free offering and the paid version. So all in all, if you were a Data Studio user, you'll still have access to the free Looker Studio, and you'll be able to create and configure your reports, your dashboards in Looker Studio. So let me know in the comments if you'll be upgrading to Looker Studio Pro or if you're sticking with the free version.